Okay guys, for lesson 8 we're going to be learning about aircraft. Now this, I'm not going to try and make this something special, but this is probably my favorite lesson because I just love learning about aircraft. It's one of my hobbies. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is look at this ink right here. It has a whole bunch of different aircraft on it that were used in World War II. I'm going to take you to it right now. And just like the battleships that you used, you can, there's a whole bunch of different information on this. So let's go to this one right here. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of information on it. It even gives you structural, the speed, like how big it is, what kind of guns it has on it, stuff like that. We're going to do a Google Slides again on this. You're going to have to create, I think it's 3, it said. Oh, I didn't put that on it. Okay. Anyway, you're going to choose 3 aircraft from that you want to talk about, and you're going to do a Google Slide presentation on it. And I'm not going to put a slide limit on it. I just need you to get all the accurate information down about each airplane that you want to talk about. And that's it. I'm just going to show you how to get to Google Slides one time. Right here. Go down to more. Go to Google Docs. And go down to Slides. And click on New Presentation. Wait for all this to pop up, and I have to show you one more thing. Let's click at this. Make sure you share it, okay? This is what you have to do. You have to do it right. You have to save the presentation first. And then go to shareable link, and make sure it's shareable, because if it's not, I can't see it. Then just click done after that, and then it will be shareable, and I'll be able to see it. Put the link in an email, send it to me with your name on it on the email, so that way I know who it belongs to and I can grade for it, okay? And then it should be very creative with it. Put some pictures, put some animations on it, stuff like that. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know and email me, okay? I'll see you for lesson 9.